Today, Ynys Enlli is managed by a trust as a nature reserve and a site of special scientific interest. Llŷn as a whole has a rich and varied range of natural habitats, supporting plants, animals and birds. Many agencies dedicated to conservation now protect special interest sites on the Llŷn Peninsula. You have therefore hundreds of miles of walking trails to be enjoyed. The entire coastline can be trekked through a new network of public footpaths. Another recent development is a series of 4 cycle hubs, providing many miles of safe and enjoyable cycling. This peninsula has long been a mecca for golfers. The stunning scenery from the cliff-top course at Nevin allows the golfer a view of the sea from every hole. Pwllheli and Abersoch also house top-quality golf links nearby. Surrounded by the sea, Llŷn has a rich and varied maritime history. Today, only leisure activities remain. Top-class sailing facilities can be found at Pwllheli, Llŷn's main town, and a little further on down the coast at Abersoch. This is a haven for all creatures.